minute stardom, and it's A.J. Patchett picking up that lead over Eric Patchett and Ian Jeslow. Sure, you gotta go through all the balloons. And you gotta go through a little water, too. Here we go, A.J. Patchett.
Oh my God, there it goes.
That lead, look out! Whoa, look out! There goes the boat and the trailer. Eric Patchett, the 7-11 out of this one, he lost the boat and the trailer. A.J. Patchett in number 11 with that lead. Here he comes out through there. Look out! Look out! Bill Carberry's boat. He's still in though. He didn't lose the trailer, so they're still in like we said. And here we go down through there. Second leg out! A.J. Patchett in number 11. Your leader. Over Ian Jeslow. Oh, look out! Whoa, down pit road. Tore everything off the back end. Here we go. Look out! Randy Patchett Jr. is out of this one. Look at them all over the place. A.J. Patchett in the number 11. Bill Carberry still in. Look out! There goes the boat, but the trailer's still there. A.J. Patchett still got the trailer. No boat left. A.J. Patchett still your leader in the number 11. Oh, look out! Ranger, look out! A.J. Patchett. Randy Patchett Jr. doesn't have nothing left. He's still having fun. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look out! A.J. Patchett in number 11, like we said, it used to be Lucia boat, you're done. Now it's Lucia trailer and boat. But he still got a trailer. A.J. Patchett, your leader. Over Ian Jeslow. Look out! Alright, Seven's gonna finally get the black flag. There you go. I believe A.J. Patchett's our leader, but who's counting? Let's see Jeslow, Jeff King. Oh, here comes Jeff King. Look out! Look out! Oh, look out! There it goes! The boat in the trailer. Look out! Down in the center boys! Uh-oh. And A.J. Patchett still got the trailer. Jeff King trying to get that 5 restarted. Look out! Oh, look at that! He's gonna take a shot at him anyway! Look out! Well, A.J. Patchett is the number 11. He's got a trailer left, and that's the new rule. You got your trailer left. Jeff King trying to get the 5 restarted. And Jeff King can't get the 5 restarted, ladies and gentlemen. Randy Patchett Jr., no trailer. Ian Jeslow, no trailer. A.J. Patchett's going to be our winner.